Here's the Toyota RAV4. Let's go ahead and get started. Open up the passenger side door. Now we need to open up the glove box. Whatever you have in the glove box, just get it out. Now that's the dampener arm. Just grab it and pull it out. Now we need to get this glove box out completely. With that, we need to get it out from those two stoppers, one on each side. There's one here and the second one right over there. So we need to pull it inwards and then pull it down. So in and down. Same thing on this side. In and down, and the whole glove box just comes right off. Don't worry about it. Set it aside. I'll show you how to put it back in later on. That's the cover for the air filter. One clip on the right side. Press it and the cover comes out. Get the cover out. That's the filter. Just grab the filter and then pull it out straight. It slides right out. There you go. That's the filter. And now it's out. Now the top side of the filter is the dirty side. The bottom side is the clean side. So outside air comes from the top. All the dirt gets trapped over there, and then clean air from the bottom goes in the engine. So that way when you pull the filter out, all the dirt stays on the filter and it comes out as opposed to falling in. Check the link in the description to buy a new one for yourself from Amazon. Now this filter only goes on in one orientation, the way I'm showing. Put it back in and slide it in all the way, and now when you do put it in all the way, you're going to notice this gap on the right side. Don't worry about it. It looks kind of weird, but that's just what the design is like. Now let's get the cover. Get this side in first. It goes on at an angle. Slide it on. Good. The other side, just press it down and clip it, and you're done. If this dampener arm falls off for any reason, I'll show you how to put it back in. Line it up with that one clip inside there, and then push it on, and now it's in place. That is good. Go ahead and get the glove box. Now there are those two cutouts in the glove box. They go on those two circular hinges. We need to line it up over there with it, and the glove box should be oriented the way I'm showing. Just get it in this position, push it in, and then try to close it. Give it one push, and now it's in place. Get the dampener arm, put it back on that plastic clip, and press it on to clip it in place. Let's try closing this. That is working good. And that is pretty much it. Hope you found it useful. Before we go, let me give a quick shout out to Naya Motors Inc. for letting us use the car today to film the videos. They are a used car dealer here in Ottawa, Canada. Check out the link in the description for their entire inventory.